Hi, this is Jason from Unio Tech Solutions. You may know us best for our disconnect reconnect services and our office decommissioning. So another thing I wanted to talk to you about is our special project services. So what is a special project? A special project is something that just falls out of scope for your IT department and your facilities team. So that's something that we could handle for you. So a couple examples. One client had 3,000 laptops across Ontario. So we sent out different teams to go inventory the equipment and run a script on the laptop to test it. Another example of a special project is converting a meeting room into a classroom. A client had a boardroom. They bought special furniture so they could take this boardroom and flip it into a classroom. But it was right between IT and facilities and nobody really wanted to touch it. And it was all work that had to be done after hours. The classroom could accommodate 24 students and an instructor. So as well as moving the furniture, we also set up the laptops and all the equipment necessary for the class. Once the class was done, we'd pack it all away, move it all back to a boardroom. We know your IT department is super busy with their day-to-day work, and your facilities team, these projects may be out of scope for them. So this is where we can come in and support you with resources for these special projects.